Okay, so here we are in the final stretch of completing my half bath. These are pictures that I pulled off of Pinterest, and what I focused on, of course, is the wallpaper. This wallpaper I actually put up in my dad's dining room. In here, it looks like it's a silver embossing, but it's actually rose gold. I also love what I found in some of these pictures, which is one is coming up right now, and that is the wallpaper all the way up to the ceiling, and I'm actually considering doing that. This one, the blue is a little bit too bold for me, but I love the idea of putting the wallpaper on the ceiling. And then also I saw some pictures in here where there is the crystal chandelier in a half bath, and I love this vanity. I may down the road add a vanity and replace it, or replace the pedestal sink that I have with a vanity. And here you can see the molding trim that kind of resemble mine's. Mine's is up a little higher. I did go ahead and paint the trim, and in between white, I used flat ceiling paint that I purchased from Home Depot. I did do my research, and it is okay to use ceiling paint on the walls. Also, I pulled some pictures, which you'll see coming up here in a few seconds, of flooring. I'm not doing the flooring in this video, but I will be. I'm just trying to decide whether I want to go marble or whether I want to go peel and stick wood look in a light shade of gray. So I'm still kind of tossed up. I like this one because I love the banding around it as well. So I'm still thinking on that. So let's go ahead and get through this bathroom makeover and see what I did. Now watch all the way to the end because I did make a switch of a piece of furniture. And again, I want to thank you all for stopping by. It looks splotchy because it's wet in those areas. And this paint is like a it's like chalk paint on this drywall and on the wood. And when it dries nice, evenly and smooth. But this is Monday, the 13th, February 13th. I started on this yesterday, Sunday. And tomorrow my wallpaper is supposed to be here, but I probably won't put it up until, let's see, today is again Monday the 13th, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. So I probably won't be putting the wallpaper up until Thursday. And I would get behind the door, but I got the paint and everything right there, and I don't want to move it because up under that black bag is a can with paint, and I don't want to mess with anything. Okay, I just received the FedEx delivery box of the 4 rolls of paper, like what I have here in the kitchen and in my dining area that this company gave to me, that I'm going to put in my bathroom. Now I would like to share my personal opinion about this wallpaper. I absolutely love it because of the design and the elegance of it. The weight of it is very thick. I believe that is why I have such a challenge when I go hang the paper, because gravity takes over and the weight of the paper kind of slants to the side. So it's a fight trying to keep it together, to keep it straight. But then also I have a love-hate for this. I love it because of its elegance and the design, but then I hate matching up the circles and you can see the silver and the gray pattern there. That is what takes so much time, is matching it up. But then also, again, I say because of the weight, the gravity just kind of takes over. So it's a fight against me and gravity trying to keep this paper straight to get it on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and begin hanging it up here in the bathroom now. So I'm going to start wallpapering here at the top, but I'm taking the light fixture, at least just these parts down. I took the bulbs out, and these are easy. It's just a matter of just pulling these, let's see, get this upstairs in my, yeah, they just pop on. Oh, okay, so then that screeching's like your nails on a chalkboard. Ugh. So they just pull off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Okay, those are off, and then there's screws at the top of this. And this is for those that never knew that you can take these things off. Okay, so these are 2 screws, one there and one there, and it's a Phillips head. And you just screw in there and take it out. As you can see, I've already put a piece up here, and I'm getting ready to, and I prefer starting from the shorter side to come down and measure down, so I won't have a lot of pieces to cut. I'm going to match up the pattern, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Going this way, silver, yep, perfect. This is what I'm doing. So if you can see, it's gray here, and then the silver, and then gray, and then silver. But that's how I'm matching it. So starting over here at the very, very top, it's silver, and then the second one is gray. Well, that's perfect. So this is silver and gray. And I'm gonna match this up to that second one up there. So it can be seamless. I'm not gonna lay it on top of it. I'm gonna butt it right up to it. Let's see. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so I put it all the way up, and so all I did was press in my finger. And you probably can't, oh, you can probably see it better on the back, I think. Right here, that little dent, that's where the Georgian stops. So I come from here all the way over to there to cut that piece. So I'm going to cut it, and I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. This piece cut out. I would also like to share, when you do, if I hadn't already stated it, and I think I have in previous videos, but I'll state it again in this video. If you do decide to buy peel and stick contact wallpaper or any kind of wallpaper that has a pattern, always buy more than you need. I did not measure, my walls to say how many rolls I need. I just guess. I never do. But you can measure. If it doesn't tell you on the wallpaper description where you ordered from, say on Amazon, then you can always Google it to tell you how to measure it. But I always order more than, I would say, if I get 4 rolls, I will order 6, not just an extra 1, but I'd order 6 because of the pattern, because you find that you almost waste more than you use, and it's because of the pattern, and you have to cut and have to match it up and use more than what you actually need. But again, I love it. I hate the pattern matching, but I love the style. Stayed with me this far. I do appreciate your patience, and I do thank you for your viewing support. So let's complete this so that you can now see, which is coming up here in a few seconds, my completed bathroom that I started in January of 2020. Okay, I am done with my bathroom, and this is my project that was not completed that I have now completed. My 2023 Spring Bathroom Makeover Refresh. And again, I want to thank Savvy, the company Savvy, for sending me this wallpaper. And let's just see what it looks like. And I love how everything turned out. There's the wall art. painted the tray. That I'm going to put thick hand napkins in there for people to dry their hands. And that's my soap dispenser and the lotion. And I just put the mirror back up there. I love the way everything turned out. I'm trying to do this without having such shaky hands, closing the door so I'll sound muffled. And I just put my can back down there. And this is the side that I started on. Again, this wallpaper was sent to me by Savvy, the company. I will link their website in my description box below so that you can see all of the different wallpaper, contact paper, other wall decor pieces that they have to offer. And look at the little, I see a lot of people on Pinterest do that to their tissue. And I bought this little table here. There's no storage in here because of the pedestal sink. So the tissue, I just put it in that. I brought that from my upstairs bathroom. I have a candle there. And here, these towels were sent to me by another company as well. I shared that in a video as well with the mini ladder that I created. And this is not a lot in here. Now I will be doing my floor hopefully for fall when I come back. And here is my DIY wall art. All I did was take some leaves that were green. I spray painted them gold and just put them inside the frame. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that this bathroom has finally got, I'll say 90% completed, because I still yet have to paint the ceiling and do the floor. Now, since making this bathroom over and refreshing it and finishing the walls and putting the wallpaper on, I've changed out just a few pieces of furniture. The first one is I took this out and brought it back out here to put up under my mirror here in my foyer. If you've already watched my video where I redid the foyer entry here, and if you haven't, I'll link that video in the description box below. But when I brought the dresser out here, I actually wanted this back out here because it matches the style of it. And then not only that, I need some storage in my powder room or half bath, whatever you want to call it, because I have a pedestal sink. So I brought this cabinet down from my bathroom that used to be in my daughter's place in her apartment, and it matches the style of this door, of my doors in my home. So here's what I did. And see how the style of that is. It's the barn door, I guess, or paneling. I don't know. It's not my style, but it works in here. And what I did, I just covered the top of it with some marble contact paper. I covered the top and the two bottom shelves. And then I just reorganized things. I now have the lotion bottle over here with just a little touch of spring, I'll call it. Those are fake hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree. I've had those for a while. And then I took the plant off of the top, of course, when I took the black nightstand or side table out, and just put it on the side, and it's directly across from this side. And then I took the black napkin holder off of there, or the paper towel holders, and I just put the paper towel holders on the shelf. I put a clock there, and it is real time. The candle I have in the cloche, and then I put that black thing down here to hold the wipes. And I have my tissue still is there. I can take that out and put tissue right in here. Right now I'm gonna leave it there. And then I put the soap bottle here, and again the paper towels there, and then just moved one of the decorative hand towels or tea towels over here, and again the lotion is over here. I also saved me some money. I'll say $50, because I was going to order, and I still am, I was going to order a flush mount light just to go here. Even though I don't have hardwired lighting, I created my own DIY chandelier shade using the light bulbs that I have. And I'm going to turn off this light, but that's what it looks like. And I absolutely love it. It's just a shade that I had around my home. I disassembled another lamp and took the part that screws in, that the bulb screws in, and attached it to that shade, glued it to that, and then I wrapped it with bling wrap because I just didn't like the black part. And all I have to do now is just screw the bulb in and take it out to charge it into another lamp when the lighting dies out or fades out. And then I just took some bling wrap. These triangle crystal things are magnetic that I purchased from Hobby Lobby several years ago. These are Christmas ornaments, but they look like crystals as well. I put them there. These are also prisms. There's one there, and there's one. So I just kind of spaced them out and made my own chandelier shade. And I put those shells are old shells, and they are from the As Seen on TV type thing. And I just covered the bottom with the wallpaper because I didn't, and then I turned them upside down. But this is actually the bottom of the shelf, and I didn't want you to see that. Even when I tried to cover it on this one, let me remove the clock. You could still see that, and I just didn't like that, so I turned it upside down. So when you look, all you see is the paper because I covered the paper so it can just match like the way everything turned out, especially my chandelier. Okay, so if you liked my bathroom makeover and completing of this project, again, I want to thank Savvy for sending me this wallpaper. I absolutely love it. I will leave Savvy's website link in my description box below for those of you who are interested in seeing what they have to offer. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing if you like what you saw here today. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I would love to read your comments. And for my faithful subscribers and viewers, thank you again so much for your viewing support. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.